First graders, welcome to Number Corner for Monday, March 30th, 2020. The third month, the 30th day in the year 2020. There's another way of writing it. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let's review some of the calendar grid markers that we had. Let's go back to the 25th, 5 days ago, when we had an analog, what? A digital clock. And what time? 4 o'clock. That's right, on a bank. Okay, good. Yeah. And then the next one was red. What time? 4:30. That's right. It's cutting the clock in half. What's another way to say 4:30? Half past 4 o'clock. You got it. Halfway on its way to being 5 o'clock. See that minute hand? All right, and it went from 4 to 4:30, so it was how much time passed? Half an hour, that's right. On the 27th, it was yellow. What time? 5 o'clock. How much time passed? Half hour, that's right. And then we had on the 28th, it was a green clock, and it said 6 o'clock. So if we're going from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, how much time? That's right, it was a whole hour. And then it was a brown clock. Did you know it was brown? And what time? It is half past. Half past what? Half past 6 on its way to being 7 o'clock. That's right. So we can say it is 6:30. Good job. That was the 29th. That was just yesterday. So remember our pattern. Let's see. Red, yellow, green, brown. Then some digital clock. Red, yellow, green, brown, digital. Red, yellow, green, brown, digital. Analog, 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 digital. Analog, 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 digital. And then let's think about elapsed time. Half hour, half hour, hour. Half hour, half hour, hour. Half hour, half hour, hour. So drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. And today's is... You knew it was going to be digital? Is it your alarm clock? Is that on your nightstand? What time is it? 7 o'clock? I wonder if it's 7 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock at night. If it's 7 o'clock a.m. in the morning or 7 o'clock p.m. at night. What do you do at 7 o'clock a.m.? What do you do at 7 o'clock p.m.? What do I do? Well, 7 o'clock a.m., we're eating breakfast. And 7 o'clock p.m., I'm reading books with my son. Thank you for asking. You want to see tomorrow's? You already know what it's going to be. It's going to be the last day. You really want to see? What color is it? What time does it say? Okay, here you go. Oh, you knew it was going to be 8 o'clock. Oh, good for you. Okay, well, I wanted to go back to that number line I had showed you. And let's see, let's count it. Oh, we've got our numbers missing. So let's see. I got something. 131. Okay, count with me. 131, 132, 133, 134, 136, 137, 138, 139, 141. What numbers are missing? What? You noticed 140 was missing? Okay, I can write 140. Where? 140 is greater than... Oh, it's greater than 139, but less than 141. Okay, how do I write in the number 140? A 1 in the hundredths place. 4 in the tens place, a 0 in the ones place. Oh, a nice counting by tens numbers. Okay. What else was missing? Let's go backwards. 141. Oh, there it is. 141, 140, 139, 138, 137, 136, 130. What is it? Oh, 135. How do I write 135? It's a 1 in the hundreds place, a 3 in the tens place, 5 in the ones place. There we go. Okay, sorry, it's hard to write upside down, and I am looking at this backwards as well. All right, let's keep going backwards since we're on the topic of backwards. 135, 134, 133, 132, 131, 100 and... Oh, that's right, 130. How do I write 130? It's a 1 in the hundreds place, a 3 in the tens place, a 0 in the ones place. Put them together and what do I get? The 3-digit number 130. Another counting by tens number, another decade number, another decade count number, 130, 140. Oh, but there's one more spot. What number is one less than 130? What number would be right before this, counting by ones? You got it? Okay, tell me. Tell me. What is it? That's right, 129. A 1, a 2, and a 9. Okay, let's roll our more than, less than, and see how many spaces we are moving today. We are moving 6 more. 6 more. So let's go ahead and start on, how about that 130 that we chose today? 130. Let's go ahead and start there. And we're going 6 more. Where do you think we're going to land? 130 plus 6. What would just 30 plus 6 be? What would just 0 plus 6 be? What if you have a guess for me here? All right, let's do this. Ready? Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Where did we land? Where did we land? That's right, 136, because 130 plus 6 equals 136. Can you think of any more ways to write 136? Okay. Next part, I picked 3 numbers at random for us to add together today. I went ahead and did it before the video to save a little bit of time. And here they are. We have an 8, a 7, and a 5. 8 plus 7 plus 5. Go ahead and pause the video now to go ahead and work out this problem on your own. 8 plus 7 plus 5. Please try and do at least one strategy, maybe even 2. I'm going to do 2. All right, you ready? Okay. So, my first strategy, when I did 8 plus 7 plus 5, I was thinking, okay, 8. What about if I took 1 away from that 8 and I put it over there with the 5 so that I could make doubles? And I thought about it like 7 plus 7. Because I know double sevens makes 14. And if I put it with the 5, I know 5 plus 1 makes 6. And so my brain just said, oh my gosh, 14 and 6. 6 and 4 make 10. And 10 more. Oh, it makes 20. It fills up the whole double 10 frame. That was my first strategy. Then I was thinking, what if I take 1 from 5 and put it with 7? So I was thinking about that, and I thought, if I take 1 away from 5, that makes 4. And 7 plus 1, that makes 8. So then I did this. And I did my 8. And I thought, plus 8. So I did my 8. And then I had just 4 more. My double 8s. Oh, double 8s. Well, that's 16. 6 and 4 make it 10. 10 more. Oh, that fills up all the 10 frames. I have 20. Well, that's how I thought about it. I thought about it using doubles. What was your strategy? Thanks for joining me for Number Corner today.